Our mission at Cranfield is to create leaders. We hope with your help they will be.
We're here today to try and introduce ourselves to people who are interested in joining the water business for a long career in process science for the future. If I find someone has got MSc Cranfield wastewater treatment or water treatment on their CV, then actually it immediately attracts me to know that they've had a really good basis of learning.
The type of graduate we're interested in from Cranfield University are water and sanitation engineers, particularly those specialised in urban settings, logisticians, and also MBA students for the finance and administration side of our work.
Cranfield students are world renowned for being the best from a manufacturing and management perspective.
We need graduates who are pragmatic, practical people who have got good, strong academic background but can solve problems and work together as a team to deliver our mission.
We keep coming back to the Cranfield Careers Recruitment Fair because we have a lot of interest here. We've had a packed stall all day. We find Cranfield graduates are focused, they know what they want, they're coming to the Careers Fair prepared with good questions.
We find that the graduates from Cranfield are really well informed about what they want to do with their career and the sorts of things they want to get involved with. So you can have really in-depth conversations with them at a careers fair like this, which really helps everybody in terms of the recruitment process.
We like coming here because of the diversity within the student body. The fact that it's a postgraduate school uniquely means that we tend to get more experienced candidates from here.
Preparedness is an incredible attribute that I've noticed today. Everybody who's come up to me hasn't been asking, well, what opportunities do you have at Airbus? They've been asking me, I've noticed this opportunity at Airbus, can you tell me more about it? I've already applied to this, what are the next steps? I'm about to apply to this, how can I improve?
We find that Cranfield graduates are generally really well prepared for their interviews. They have a really good level of understanding and are able to make a really good contribution to the business.
We've brought people on board to the business who've graduated from Cranfield in the past, and we're looking to do that in the future as well.